method to success. There's a system to success. And Manifest has a system that will allow you to do that.
Money matters. Wealth matters. Success matters. I always say I've been a rich man. I've been a poor man. I choose rich every time and never look back.
Make up your mind that you want a different kind of life.
You can really build a career at this. Seriously, this is a business where if you really take it seriously and master your craft, you can become very, very wealthy.
It's one thing to survive, but Manifest teaches people how to live.
Are you destined for greatness? Do you deserve to be rich? Do you have what it takes to be rich?
If you're not willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you're willing to learn how to manifest, no one can stop you.
Let's go. Let's go. Everyone, welcome out to Manifest. We are excited to have you here. That was a recap from the calls that we had recently with Les Brown and Jordan Belfort speaking here at our company at Manifest, and just did an absolutely phenomenal job. I want to say that we have our Director of Education, Mr. Al Edward, on the line with us tonight. You guys will have the privilege of getting to hear from him here in a little bit, but we are excited and we want to jump right into this. More than likely, someone told you that something amazing is happening at Manifest and you need to see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what Manifest is, and you have the opportunity tonight to take advantage of the most powerful platform out there that is taking the power of Forex and partnering it with the power of AI technology. So who we are is Manifest. We are currently helping right now thousands of people all across the world multiply their money in the largest financial market in the world, utilizing bank-grade hedge fund level softwares. Okay, so my question tonight to you is, what will you manifest? Most people have no idea how powerful Forex is, and also have no idea that their money is already in this market. Tonight, you're going to learn more about that. We're also going to talk about the secrets of the wealthy, what the wealthy have been doing with your money and their money for a long time, and how it's actually really simple to do the exact same thing. We're going to talk about why Manifest, who we are, our team, where we're at now, the results that we've been having. We're also going to talk about our rewards plan, how you can share Manifest and have the opportunity to get paid, and then why tonight is so vital and how you cannot delay and you must join today if this is something that you're looking at. And I think you'll see here in just a second, the offer that we have on the table tonight is absolutely undeniable and too powerful to continue to move on past. So before we get started, I want to talk about something that Robert Kiyosaki breaks down really beautiful. He talks about where people are and where money is. Give me a yes in the chat box if you agree that if you're going to be wealthy, you need to position yourself in a place that you can actually obtain wealth, right? I want you to look at the left side and look at the right side. On the left side, we see two different quadrants. We see employees and self-employed. This makes up 95% of the population. But notice on this side of the quadrant, there's only access to 5% of the wealth. See, most people around the world do all the work, while a small portion of the people have all the other people do the work for them and they get rich, right? Now, most of the times people say how much they hate the boss, but that's simply because they're not the boss, right? So what we want to show you tonight is how important it is to be in a position to have the ability to actually obtain wealth. When you look on the right side of the quadrants, you have business owner and investor. This makes up 5% of the people, but yet on this side of the quadrants, you have 95% of the wealth. Which side of the quadrant do you want to be on? I want to know right now in the comment section, which side do you want to be on? Which makes the most sense if you actually want to be wealthy? You heard Jordan Belfort say it. Do you actually deserve to be wealthy? Are you willing to do what it takes to be wealthy? And I want to show you tonight how utilizing what it is that we have, when most people think of a business owner, they think of people that employ other people. I would like to introduce you to the new world that we live in today, where instead of just having people work for you, you can actually have artificial intelligence work for you. You see, all the other industries around the world are moving forward with AI technology, and investing is not one that you want to miss out on, because the same way that in every other avenue, AI is simply smarter than people, it's the same thing here. And you have the ability to not just work for money, but to have your money work for you, and other, not people, but other softwares go and do the heavy lifting. Okay, so this is absolutely powerful. So let's jump into the power and the future of Forex. Look over here on the left, you see Forex. This is cash and fiat currency. Every country around the world has its own currency. So what Forex is all these currencies around the world are traded and exchanged on a daily basis, Sunday through Friday. Now, where we make our money in the market is regardless of which way that it goes, we can make money either way. If it's going up, we're buying. If it's going down, we're selling. You can do this on any device. It's the largest financial market in the world. I want you to think about this for a second. $6.6 trillion per day. If you could just sweep up the crumbs, would all of you agree that you would be absolutely open to sweeping up the crumbs of 6.6 trillion? If you only made 50 bucks a day, 100 bucks a day, 200, 300, 400, 1,000, 2,000, continue on. There is no cap. Would that not be an amazing thing for you? 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Now, what's really important to note right now is your money is already working in this market if you have any money sitting in a bank account, because the largest players in the Forex market are banks, hedge funds, governments, big dogs, right? Your money sitting in the bank right now is already being traded in this market. The bank that's giving you 0.01% per month, right? Or maybe less depending on your bank. The reason why is they're giving you that small, even amount, while they're going and making massive, massive returns off of your money. So this is where this comes, and it makes a lot of sense. Either you're going to be the person making money off of your money, or the bank is going to be the person making money off of your money. It's one thing to work for money. It's a whole nother thing to have your money work for you. And as good as you may be at what you do, I promise you, if you have your money in the right place, it can outwork you and outperform you all day long. Okay. On the right side, you see cryptocurrency. If you haven't heard of Bitcoin, you got to look up, guys. Bitcoin is absolutely changing. The banks, governments, everyone is now dabbling heavily in crypto. It's changing the way that we do business. It's changing things on a big, big scale, how we send money to one another. And we also have the ability to profit off of it massively. Okay. This market, you can trade on any device. It's anticipated to hit over $1 trillion. And also in this market, you have the ability to trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So guys, technology is changing the way that we live, the way that we communicate, the way that we work, but it's also changing the way that we invest. I want you to go look up JP Morgan and Chase AI technology. You guys, this is public record. This is public facts that you can even research. Banks are massively investing in artificial intelligence to have it go work for them, right? So the way that your bank is making money off your money right now, they're using AI. It's not just a person back there clicking a button, okay, and taking trades. They're using AI. So if they're using AI on your money, can you write yes in the chat box if you agree that it makes sense for you to use AI on your money, but now you're the one profiting rather than just them? Okay, so why manifest? Warren Buffett said this: if you don't learn how to make money while you sleep, you'll work until the day that you die. I don't know about you, but I did not sign up to work until the day that I die. That doesn't sound remotely pleasurable in the least bit whatsoever, right? So why manifest? Make money while you sleep. Create your own business. Work from anywhere around the world. Once you see the results for yourself, once it grows your money, you can then begin to help those you care about by sharing Manifest with other people. You can also begin to live a life you have always dreamed of. Too many people in this world have settled for not actually living the way that they desire. And I am on a massive mission, as well as a Manifest, to absolutely change that. There is not a lack of money in the world. Okay, hear me out. There is not a lack of money in the world. There's a lack of information in terms of the masses knowing how to get to the money as well as access. So what we've done is we've taken, myself and my business partner, Jimmy Bennett, we have taken our years and experience in the banking industry and financial industries, and we have taken the top level hedge fund grade bank level softwares, and we've made them available to the masses, right? Jimmy 10 years ago was homeless. And due to hard work, due to actually going and learning how to become wealthy, he turned into a 7-figure, on the way much higher than that, serial entrepreneur, investor, and influencer, right? He's the founder of 2 other financial services platforms, Pension Partners and Southgate Wealth. He's also been featured in news articles all around the world. Myself, I've been in the banking industry now for a pretty long time, traveled the world speaking, preaching, educating, investing, teaching other people how to invest and trade in the markets. And what I love about what we have is we have a place that not only is the people that put this platform well educated and well versed and skilled to do this, we've made it affordable on every level. And we've also not just brought top level softwares, but we brought the best of the best when it comes to trading. See, our heart was not to just have the best AI technology in the world. It was to have the best AI technology and the best platform with the best education to teach people that actually want to learn the skill set. While I love passive income, while I can't tell you how much I enjoy the AI working for me every single day, regardless if I take a trade or not, I still have to let you guys know this. There is something powerful about learning the skill set. We have on the line right now our Director of Educator, Mr. Al Edwards. This gentleman is a 7-figure trader and educator, proven, effective, simple strategies which anybody and everybody can learn that will simply show up and listen. If you're willing to learn, you can learn here, especially with the way that Al teaches. He's also known as Yoda from the students. They absolutely adore and appreciate Al and everything he does. He has an extensive track record, and he also leads a community of traders. So without further ado, I actually want to take a couple minutes. Al, if you're on the line, I would love if you could just share what it is that you do here with Manifest, the education that you share, and what people can expect on the manual trading side when it comes to actually learning the skill set and becoming a consistently profitable trader in the Forex market.
All right. Thank you, Josh. Can you hear me?
Absolutely. Everyone give some massive love in the chat box for our Director of Education, Mr. Al Edward.
All right, everyone. So first and foremost, let me say this. I want to start this off by saying when I found out about this opportunity and this was presented to me, this is the first time ever in my career that I've been in a situation to where literally every single person can win. And the greatest feeling for me is knowing that day one, that if people come on board, they link up to the software, they are winning every day. They are profitable every single day. And then what we specialize in on the education side, okay, the software is doing phenomenal. I mean, it has never had to lose a week, never had to lose a month. It's a monster, right? So you have that, because think about this, team, and most of you as traders or want to be traders, when you come into the business, you want to be profitable immediately, right? That's why we're all here, is to make money. But imagine how much less stress it will be for you knowing you have something making money for you hands-free, and you can sit back and learn this skill set at a pace that you don't feel the pressure of having to pay anything next month, because you already got something that's making money for you, right? That for me was one of the biggest things, because me winning, let's just be very honest, right? Like, I can trade, but you have so many people that come into the industry, you're not going to learn how to trade in one day or 1 week. So now I know that everyone on the team, everyone in this company is winning. You cannot say that about any other business platform, period, hands down, no questions about it. That is the reason why I'm here, number one. Number two, is because of Jimmy and Josh, right? I've known Josh for a while. I've gotten to know Jimmy. And when I tell you heart of gold, man, heart of gold, right? We're in a position to where I can't tell you the countless nights that they're up actually just trying to figure out different ways to make this a better opportunity, not for themselves, but for us. In most companies, the owner is trying to figure out how to cut costs for them, how to put more money into their pocket, and then how to spin it around to where it's good for you. Everyone here in this company already, they already know from proven, right? You're talking about G-Wagon, you're talking about trips to Mexico, you're talking about all the, excuse me, all these things that's being given out. And I'm sorry if I ruined it for you on the end, Josh, but it's like we have so much to be thankful for, and here we are, we're still going into the next week, looking at what we can do more, what we can do better, right? And so that alone of itself, in addition to the strategies that we do, that will have you consistently profitable, if you back test, if you put the chart time in and do the things that you need to do, match those together, and you have something that's a powerhouse. And I really look at us like, think of Bitcoin, right? 10 years ago, I really feel that it's manifest, because 10 years from now, people won't be saying, I wish I would have gotten in with them guys back then. I wish. And so that's where I'm gonna leave it at tonight. But I really want you to know and understand one thing. I wouldn't be here if I didn't trust it. I wouldn't be here if I didn't believe in it. And me being here, we're going to win. So let's do it. Let's make it happen. Thanks, Josh, for the time tonight, buddy.
Absolutely. Everyone give some massive love for our Director of Education, Mr. Al Edward. We appreciate you more than you could ever know. And I know all of the students and customers here at Manifest are beyond appreciative for you. So everyone, I want to talk about the products that we have here that you're going to get to take advantage of on top of the AI softwares, okay? It's going to start with the Academy. This is an A to Z, advanced to basic, brilliant information that also has quizzes and tests throughout it to really make sure you're obtaining and learning the information that's being shared. Our AI softwares, absolutely brilliant, working for you. You literally set it up. It does all of the work for you. While you're working, it's working. While you're sleeping, it's working. While you're taking a shower, it's working. While you're running around and chasing your kid, if you have kids like I do, right? It's working for you. Okay. There's nothing that makes more sense than your money working for you without you having to work for it, right? This is how the wealthy cross over to wealthy from just being average. The average work for money, the wealthy have money work for them. Okay, you want to get on the other side of the quadrant. All right, the next thing we have is the Compass Scanner. This is an actual harmonic scanner that's going in and looking into potential trades for you, where to get in, where to get out. It's absolutely amazing. We have our live sessions. You just met our Director of Education, Al Edward. Him and a couple other of our educators do live sessions throughout the week, Monday through Friday. You'll see the schedule here in a second. But on these sessions, you'll get to trade with them live. You'll get to learn from them. You'll get to ask them questions. Welcome to the 21st century. Instead of just going to a class in person, you can do the same thing over the computer, the same way that you're hearing my voice right now, and you're seeing how powerful this is. We also have coming soon the Crypto Night package. It's actually already live where you can get access to this. There's a crypto AI coming out here in the future, but right now we have who was an 8-figure crypto educator, now a 9-figure crypto educator, proven track record. It's actually been shown. Okay, 9-figure crypto educator giving training and market insights and also sending out signals. We have that available for an additional $29. This is absolutely insane. The more that you'll see on that as well. Okay, this right here is our education schedule with our live sessions throughout the week. You'll see it here Monday through Friday. We have different classes from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m., 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern, 5 to 6 p.m. Eastern, and to wrap it up 7 to 8 p.m. Eastern every single night. We have our strategies to wealth class Monday through Thursday with Al. And these are the sessions that you are going to learn some of the most brilliant strategies that you can absolutely crush over and over again. I am absolutely convinced that anyone can do this, right? I've been trading a long time and I've come in and I've learned so much from Al and his strategies and just the simplicity of how he looks at the market in such a technical way. It just makes sense. Okay. And it just continues to work over and over. The way that I know if something makes sense, if it makes money, what I keep doing with Al continues to make money. So at that point, I think all of us should continue to follow what's leading us into freedom, right? The AI plus Al, it doesn't get much better than that. Check out this real quick. This is the artificial intelligence software results. Okay. On the left side where you see the 2020 returns, you can look at each number if you want to, but I want you guys to understand last year, the software averaged 37% return per month. Never lost in a day, never blew an account, never lost a week, a month, never lost. Never had ridiculous high drawdown. The drawdown in 2020 maxed out at 16%. In 2021, we've got it like 25% on a spike one time, right at the time of election. But I want you guys to understand the results are just absolutely insane. I must give this disclaimer that past profits do not indicate future gains. There is risk involved with trading, and you should never risk more than you can afford to lose. But it's a beautiful thing to have your money in a place that is never lost. Can we guarantee that it'll never lose ever? No, we can't. But what I do know this is that history usually repeats itself, right? I think we've all learned that. And the track record in history here is absolutely amazing. And you want to be on this upwards trajectory because it's a beautiful place to be. And if you've never looked at a compound calculator, if you've never taken the time to look at a compound calculator, if you were just taking $1,000 and growing it by 10% return per month at 10%, in a little over 5 years, you would have over $1 million at 10%. Our software has done more than 3%, or 3 times that on a monthly basis. So I want you to do the math, and I want you to figure out how important this is and how much sense it makes. Your money's sitting there doing this for the bank right now rather than you. It makes sense today for that to change. All right. The Platinum Elite, this is usually $149 a month. That is the results of the software that you're looking at right now on the screen that I just talked about. Okay. This right here, guys, listen, $99 per month, lifetime rate, lock it in. Okay. The royalty, this is where you're getting access to 3 AI softwares. The Platinum Elite, you get 1. With the royalty, you get 3. $199 per month, lifetime locked-in rate. It's usually $269 per month. Huge, huge savings right now, and you're locking these rates in. The CEO Club, it's usually $6,000 per year, $499 a month. We have a special with 50% off right now, $2,999. I'm going to show you a couple things really quickly, but this is the key part of why you need to get involved. The softwares are brilliant. They're making people money. I want you to check out the CEO Club and a couple more things that you get with the CEO Club. Now, with the Platinum Elite and the royalty, there's a 25% profit split on the actual software and the profits that it makes you. If it makes you $1,000, $750 would be yours, $250 would go to the company, right? With the Platinum Elite and the royalty. With the CEO Club, there is no performance fee. So 100% of whatever you make, you keep. 100%, I don't think y'all heard me. 100% of whatever you make, you keep on the profit from the AI. Okay, absolutely brilliant, massive special going on right now. You also get in the mail an exclusive CEO Club merchandise pack, VIP to all global events, 20% commission for every single person that you refer to the platform. Okay, you heard Al say we're giving away a G-Wagon. You come in, you refer one person to manifest, you get entered into the drawing. Absolutely insane. So take advantage of this. Where else do you know during the middle of an absolute mess in the world, we're still giving away $100,000+ car and helping people manifest their dreams? No debt comes with it, 100% cash paid for. Myself and Jimmy are going to fly to your country, to your city, go to the dealership, hand them cash, and hand you the keys to a brand new 2021 G-Wagon. This is absolutely insane. I'm going to show you this really, really quickly. On the royalty and the CEO Club, you get 20% on everyone that you refer on a monthly basis. So whatever they spend on a monthly basis, whether let's say that's $99, $199, or $499 for the CEO monthly, right? You're getting 15% of that on the Platinum Elite, 20% if you're in the royalty or the CEO Club. All right. After you've referred 5 personals, you get 5% on level 2. What that simply means is if I referred Al to the business, every person that Al then refers, I make 5% a month off of everything that they're spending. This is not a network marketing company. This is a 2-tier affiliate system setup. So instead of you just advertising for free, like most people do, hey, that was a great movie, you should go watch it. Hey, this gym is awesome, you should come work out with me. Instead of free advertising, you start to get paid for you and anybody else that you want to help also make money. When you have the results, it kind of becomes a conviction to share it. I'm not going to go through all the gifts and the cash that we give away. You can look at that right here. But from 10 personals to 5,000 personals, we have amazing prizes, or you can choose between getting cash instead if you want to. But amazing prizes and cash rewards that we give away on top of the AI, on top of the residual. We just have this place set up where dreamers can really dream and manifest what it is that they're looking for. We have an insane marketing system, an app, and an online marketing system that's available for you. If you do want to really share this with pre-built design funnels already, it has everything you could possibly imagine. The most extensive marketing system I've ever seen that's just absolutely brilliant. Okay. Another thing that's really powerful about Manifest is we actually partnered with Hope for Justice, and we're dedicated to helping put an end to modern day slavery and exploitation. As of this point, we have already donated over $1,500 for Hope for Justice, and we have committed and pledged $1 per customer moving forwards to continue to fight against this inhumane practice and change lives and end slavery with Hope for Justice. We love what they're doing. We're very passionate about this cause. And while we can't be on the front lines fighting this every day, we can put our money and partner with people that are, and we're really proud of that. All right. 1 or 2 things are going to happen this year. You're going to have your money working for you, or you're going to continue doing what you're doing. And I don't know about you, but money multiplying makes a lot more sense than money just sitting in a bank multiplying for someone else. All right. So whoever invited you, take advantage of this special right now. This is absolutely amazing. We have the G-Wagon giveaway, and you can go ahead and take advantage of the special $99 for the Platinum Elite, $199 for the Royalty, or $2,999 for the CEO Club. That's a 50% saving, 6 months free. You keep 100% of the profit. So thanks for coming out. Excited to have you here. Looking forward to having you join the Manifest family. Al, do you have anything that you want to share before we wrap this up, sir?
I just want to say this, Josh. Thanks for the opportunity this evening. But secondly, remember this, everyone. You only get a few times in your life to make a major decision. And I truly feel like tonight is one of those major decisions. Do yourself a favor, join the team, and as I have been, you'll be extremely thankful. Thanks, buddy.
I love it. Guys, have a blessed night and continue to manifest. Join the family, don't delay, and let's all get paid. See you soon. Bye.